Hey, the Jeep CEO says, when it's raining, don't take your Bronco out. Now, remember, the first Broncos that got out had started having problems right immediately after people been taking delivery of these beautiful SUVs. Now, it's been a quality control problem that they've been having with that MIG molded in color hardtop roof. Now, Ford is replacing all of these SUVs roofs free of charge. Now, no problem with the soft top. The soft tops are working out just perfectly. Now, the process has caused many delays. And not too many people have been, excited about that. But this is what happens when, a new vehicle comes out. There's always problems and there's always issues. But Jeep's not having these problems. I mean, because they've been out for a long time. They didn't go on a hiatus for a good amount of years. They've been around and they've been keeping it going. But so we can expect those kind of problems with the Bronco. But the good thing is that Ford is fixing them right away. But again, back to what the CEO is saying about the Bronco, the CEO of Jeep, which makes perfect sense, and it's great to have great competition because that's what we need in order to make better products. Now, Jeep has always been closely monitoring these vehicles because this is a competition, and this is what's making it exciting. Now, Jim Morrison, who is the CEO of Jeep, is revelishing in this right now. I mean, just having a good time. Now, that's according to many other media outlets. Now, Jeep executives, exact words, said if it's going to rain on Thursday, don't take your Broncos out. If it's going to rain on any day, well, that's how it is now. But Ford is speedily, and must I say expeditiously, remedying this situation, which is a good thing. But however, as far as friendly competition, this seems like it's always great to have good friendly competition, folks. Now, the Bronco Sport has been problem free, and there's been some issues, I think. But however, not so much with the Bronco, which is just tells you what the potential that Ford has when making a problem-free vehicle. They can do it. They can definitely do it, and they definitely will do it. And the good thing is not that it's problem-free, it's how you tackle those problems. Because regardless of what vehicle there is out there, and I'm not going to go into the history of the Jeep and point out other problems either. But what I can say is that every manufacturer has problems, and how do they fix it? That's what makes the big difference. And how, and that's how customers perceive the brand to be. And so far, Ford is doing a great job with the Bronco as far as coming out with that. I mean, just look at this older Ford in the history. I sort of wish they didn't go on a hiatus, and I also wish they didn't come out with that, OJ style type of Bronco. I wish they would have just kept it, just like Jeep has been keeping it, and not, go for that type of Ford Expedition look or anything like that. They should have just kept it, but for some reason they changed it, and now they got back to it. And so it's always difficult. If you ever ran a race, it's always difficult to come back into, it's always, if it's a football game, if you're behind 7-21, it's always hard to come back. But it's how you do it. And so far, Ford is at a good pace, and they're moving in the right direction with this, with taking care of this molded in color top, and also the semiconductor chip issue. They're doing a great job at it. And so we expect issues. Now, Ford, General Motors, Stellantis, and all the other different companies have been facing semiconductor chip crisis. And everybody's working 24/7 to resolve these problems and to make it easier. And to strengthen the brand. But, however, this new 4xe is awesome. Check it out, folks.
Welcome to fall in Michigan. It's actually a great season to spend some time outdoors and put a few electric miles on the new 2021 Jeep Wrangler 4xe. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged and direct injected engine, and it packs a punch, leveraging an 8-speed automatic transmission. But let's talk about the electrification piece. Engineers would tell you this is a P1, P2 electrification system, but let's break that down. Let's say P stands for position, and the correlating 1, 2, 3, or 4 talk about where the electric motors are in the driveline. So a P1 system is position 1 right here. That's our e-torque module. We actually replaced the traditional alternator with the e-torque system. It is the job of our propulsion engineering teams to create a calibration so our customers do not see a need to turn off the stop-start function. With the help of e-torque, the events go unnoticed. E-torque is also a very adaptable system that we can build upon, operating by itself or in harmony with additional e-motors. And that leads us to position 2, or P2. And that's between the engine and the transmission. This is a much more powerful electric motor that enables the pure electric driving range for the Wrangler 4xe. Now, the numbers aren't in yet, but I've personally experienced up to 25 miles of electric range, and that's with normal driving. The other major component of the electrification system on the Wrangler 4xe is the battery pack. This is a 400-volt, 17-kilowatt lithium-ion pack, and it is actually the enabler for people to take care of their daily commutes without ever tapping the fuel tank. It's packaged neatly underneath the rear seat, so it doesn't take up any storage space. Inside the Jeep Wrangler 4xe are some nifty additions, including this charge level indicator on the dash, and of course the Uconnect hybrid pages that allow customers to use the different pages to get the most out of their plug-in hybrid Jeep. But there are a few more functional systems too. The 4xe has 3 modes of operation housed here. Called e-select, these 3 modes of operation allow the driver to decide how and when the pure electric range is used. The default mode is hybrid. It blends torque from the 2-liter engine and electric motor. In this mode, the powertrain will use battery power first, then add in propulsion from the 2-liter turbocharged i4 when the battery reaches a minimum state of charge. In electric mode, the powertrain operates on zero-emission electric power only until the battery reaches the minimum state of charge, or until the driver requests more torque for, say, towing the 3,500-pound capacity, which engages the 2-liter engine. In e-save mode, the system prioritizes the combustion engine and saves the battery charge for later use, such as restricted urban areas or for silent off-roading. Also within the e-save mode is a battery charge feature. So let's say you've already depleted the electric range of the vehicle, but you're headed to a destination where you want more. By clicking on the battery charge feature, the engine will use supplemental power to recharge the battery so you have extended electric range once you reach your destination. So when you get home, you plug in. And charging times can be set through the Uconnect hybrid pages or through the mobile app that we created. Regenerative braking is the greatest benefit to hybrid technology, with the ability to capture energy that would normally be lost. And the Wrangler 4xe also features a max regen feature. When engaged, a more assertive regen calibration occurs, slowing the Wrangler 4xe faster than standard regen braking and transferring more electricity to the battery pack. Some people call this one-foot driving. The Jeep Wrangler is known worldwide for its off-road capability, and the 4xe adds responsibility by combining an electric vehicle lifestyle with outdoor lifestyle. And through some clever engineering, it is the most capable Wrangler we have ever built. In fact, during testing, the Wrangler 4xe recently completed the Rubicon Trail on electric power alone. Not only can you enjoy silent running off-road, but the 4xe system provides instant torque for carefully crawling over difficult obstacles with the utmost control. There's no need to build up engine RPM for torque. It's all there instantaneously. Speaking of performance, just because the new Wrangler 4xe is a plug-in hybrid, that doesn't mean owners need to sacrifice. The Wrangler 4xe delivers 375 horsepower and can cover 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6 seconds. Charging infrastructure is key to EVs, and Jeep is in the process of developing a trailhead charging network, putting stations at some of the most popular off-road trails so Wrangler 4xe customers can enjoy all the benefits of the new propulsion system. So let's run through some quick takeaways of the new 2021 Jeep Wrangler 4xe. A pure electric range that can handle most daily commutes with a single charge. Clever engineering provides a great mixture of performance and fuel efficiency. And the 2021 Jeep Wrangler 4xe delivers off-road capability combined with responsibility and an electric vehicle lifestyle. Thank you for the time you've provided this Jeep enthusiast and many others who can now have their Wrangler and an electrified lifestyle. I'll see you on the trail.
This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. Have an awesome and fantastic day. Much love. And again, thanks for coming by.